Okay, so the second one, we've got these numbers, these expressions, the parts of the expression are moved around, but we do the same idea. What's inside the square root affects the x value. What's outside affects the y value. So what is my endpoint on this one? Back here, tell me what my endpoint is. Very good. So she got the 1 from inside the square root and the -2 outside it. The same idea as what we did yesterday, it's just switched around a little bit. So for my helping point, if I wanted to get 4, same group, what number would I plug in there for x to get 4? 5. So plugging in a 5 in there, this is back here. Tell me what we get when we plug in the 5. So what do you get? 0. So 5, 0. So 1, -2, and 5, 0. So if you go to make your graph and it's not making the same shape, you've made a mistake somewhere. And then just a reminder, I give you an answer key in class, but I also I post it up on Google Classroom. So if you're at home doing those problems and you want to take a look at that answer key, look at it on Google Classroom. It's posted along with the assignment. So my domain on this one, this group, tell me what my domain is. Greater than or equal to 1, yep. Does that make sense? Greater than or equal to 1. And then somebody else besides Elijah, what would the range be on that one? Yes, y is greater than or equal to -2. Questions on that? I'm happy to clarify, since it's the second day, I'm hoping everybody's going to get there and understand that. Is you okay? Getting confused. Okay, I want you to do number 3 as a you try. On your own, do number 3, please.
Wait, so I'm trying to make this into a problem.
Don't you worry. Don't have to worry about it.
So what would be the endpoint? MPD. 0, 4, -4.
Yeah, I did. I wrote it just track and I read it. It was so good.
So it's
Like, so I actually read like this track.
it doesn't matter a lot. Is it from here or there?
Yeah. I remember arguing with you guys, or like Nadia, or one of you guys at the fire drill. I was just like,
Oh, no, no. I remember. You want to get
I did do it. Yeah, they just about like the district open and actually 0. Whatever equation, right? Yeah, like the square root ends up being
so Oh, so what was 0, 0?
It's always a beef.
No, okay. 4, 0.
Okay, you know how like I live here, like they're like forever. I know. But it's Harris's cousin, so that's just the
Oh, I have.
Oh yeah, my first thing. I've done that. You got me. Some of you guys are going to college park. That shit's so strange. To hang out with AJ every day. Think about AJ. Not you.
No, they're administration.
I've been plugging us to that.
Yeah, I heard about that.
Okay, here's the answers up here. Questions on that before we move on to the next one. That's a little different. Okay, on to the next one. Attention back up here, please. So now what we're doing is we want to write a possible function for the graph. What kind of a function is this? Raise your hand, please. Raise your hand, please. What kind of function is this?
I got you. All right.
It is a radical function. So we know it's a radical function because?
Because it says on the top.
Yeah, because it's just like the ones we've been looking at, that half of a parabola. Okay, so we know it's going to be a y equals and a square root, and there's going to be an x. What is our endpoint here on this one? A hand, please, for what the endpoint will be. Oh my God. 0.5. Do I need to double the homework assignment? Because I'm hearing too much talking. So the endpoint is 0.5. So in our equation, we're going to go backwards. We know that the 0 is affected inside the square root. So inside that square root, do we need anything else to have the x value 0? No, because it'd be like x minus 0 or x plus 0, which is just x. And then outside is what? What goes on the outside?
A 1. No, 5. Oh, I got you. What?
Plus 5, yes. Plus a 5. Does that make sense? So we know our endpoint is 5, and out here is our endpoint. Okay, so endpoint on number 5. This group back there, tell me what the endpoint is on number 5.
Negative 1, negative 6.
Yep. And then what would our equation be? You guys want to answer the equation also?
We'll pass it to the other group. I was trying to say one. We'll pass it to the
This group here, tell me what the equation will be.
Alright, 1.
Y equals? Good. X plus 1, because it's the opposite inside the square root. And then the outside would be minus 6. Questions on that? Okay, I want you to do the last one as a U try. Go ahead and do that. Oh, you guys are so chatty. Don't let me forget to return your test today.
Wait, do we need the red team left?
I can't tell if you're like lying to me or not. I can't tell if you're like making
Which question do you do more homework?
Yeah. It was me. X plus 4 plus 3. The homework. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
You should have long hair. You should have long hair.
Good job.
Oh, yeah.
You want Johnny Cash? You want Johnny Cash? That's all.
It's stuff.
Oh, wait, yeah.
I mean, that's Johnny Cash.
Oh.
No, but I swear for like the last part.
Actually, I want to stuff. I'm not black person.
It's easy to say it, I guess so. That is a song.
That's the actual song.
Yeah, but I know
My dad. One time my dad, we were at a public, what's this? No, the hotel, Reno. Hey, don't listen. What grade is Jason? What grade Jason? He's senior here. Yeah. On your soul, he's on my soul, he's a senior. I don't. I still will a lot of times. I love the soul. I would buy we were at a hotel pool in Rio, and my dad, we were like walking in, and my dad sees this guy. He's got like MS-13 tattoos everywhere.